So I'm excited about that. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look. Hey, what up guys? Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. I'm not gonna go too much into detail with today's sneaker because we have already seen it on the channel. Today we have the React Element 87 on the Neptune Green colorway. Now if you guys remember, or maybe you don't since you weren't part of the channel yet, my friend Unplugged Vince came through. He got them from Europe, the black anthracite colorway, and you know, he told me he was down to letting me use them for an unboxing. So that happened in July. If you guys haven't watched the video, it's gonna be linked in the description or in the card right there. I think I got it right. But yeah, once again, today's colorway is what the? I mean, like for real. They really just put the paper like that. I got these from Bodega, by the way, which actually the label says La Bodega, so it's like Spanish. So the React Element 87, of course, retails for $160, or in Bodega they had it like $159. But I ended up paying $174 for these because it was $15 shipping. Now I do gotta admit that, although, oh, they sent a sticker. So like I was saying, this Neptune colorway, or Neptune Green colorway, it looks pretty fire in pictures, but these drop with the Total Orange and the Solar Red, which the Solar Red were the ones that I was going for. But either way, it's a good colorway. I mean, it's not like the one I wanted, but you know, it's a fire colorway. It's the first time ever I'm gonna try a React Element 87, so I'm excited about that. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look. I don't know. For first impression, it's like, I like the gray. I like the gray on the React sole. I'm not sure about the Neptune Green at the bottom. Alright, let's go ahead and take them out. Oh shit. Okay, nah, I take it all back. These are heat. I was expecting, I told you guys, maybe it was the fact that I was biased for the Solar Red and salty about the fact that I didn't get that one. You get little accents of this, things like a mango pink or something like that, over here below the laces, or the area where the laces are at. And honestly, I'm just a huge fan of the silhouette. Definitely top 5 for a shoe of the year, in my opinion. If you guys are interested in copying the shoe after watching the video, remember that I do have links in the description, so you guys can go ahead and check the prices, check different, you know, websites to be able to cop these. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the details. So you have this Nike swoosh on the outside, kind of getting cut off by the React sole. And the tone for the swoosh is a little bit darker than the one that is used for the sole, although watching over here on the DSLR it kind of looks the same. And then moving over here right below the collar, you have a little bit of stitching on this pink, or again, it was some weird color, like a mango color, I think it was called. And then below that you have Nike React written on this heel lining that we have seen in a lot of React models, so the Epic React, Odyssey React, and of course the Element React. Then let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the shoe. So you have this Neptune Green heel loop with the reflective band on top of it, and then right below that you have more of that pink color, and then a Nike swoosh once again on that Neptune Green color. The material over here where the swoosh is at, it feels like suede, not sure which one it is, but just the fact that they combine so many materials throughout the shoe, that's just kind of one of the things I love about them. And then moving towards the inside, you have more of that pink stitching, but it kind of crosses over here with more of that Neptune Green color, and this time it's black stitching on top of it. And still on the inside, but closer to the front, you have a Nike swoosh in the midsole, and right above that you have another Nike swoosh on the toe box. More stitching over here right in dead center of the toe box as well. And just like the other Element 87s, you have reflective details over here in the heel loops, on the lace hoops, I mean. The laces, nothing really special with the laces. So more of that transparent material on the tongue, actually all throughout the tongue, and I just noticed that. But you do have Nike React written over here on the front of the tongue. And you also have the logo with a bunch of swooshes going around. And like I told you earlier, you do have this little bit of highlights on the pink color right below this strip of material on the laces. And moving towards the outsole, you have that, or I like to think of as like a web, spider web type pattern with the Neptune Green highlights with a bunch of little grips on that pattern. You also have a Nike swoosh right below the heel, that's on both of them, and also Nike React written kind of sideways, but not necessarily in the middle of the shoe. But anyways, right now let's go ahead and take a look at the insole, which is the same thing as the OG black anthracite with the cork pattern, but in this one you have a Neptune Green swoosh running throughout it. But yeah, I think that's it for this one. I was totally wrong about it. I was expecting less. I thought the colorway was gonna be like, I don't know, it was something about the way that this and this was gonna combine. I was kind of hesitant about, but definitely, these are definitely fire in person. I'm super excited to see how they look on feet. And once again, definitely one of my favorite sneakers of the year, without a doubt. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. But anyways, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.